Hi, this is Jennifer at the New Home Experts, and if you are looking for a place to retire and have not yet heard about the amazing Trilogy at Sunstone here in Northwest Las Vegas, well, I am here to change that, so let's get started right now. So Trilogy by Shea Homes is known to be building some incredible 55 and over active adult communities all over the country. Here in Las Vegas, this is actually the second community that they are building. They just are about closeout at another community down in Summerlin. We are now up in the Northwest. This community is actually quite a bit larger. There are going to be several different types of floor plans, from single family homes, detached product, to also your condominium lifestyle as well. We're here to kind of show you both options so you can see what might fit best for your lifestyle. So right now we of course are out at the Trilogy Sunstone community. Building for this community actually started in 2021. So when I was originally out here, gosh, a few years ago, it was really just something that was all dirt. So right now what's amazing is, of course, now we're at the end of 2024. Quite a bit has changed. We are standing in their restaurant. It's called Kindred and Main. It is not open today. It is closed Monday and Tuesdays, but open the rest of the week. You can also see here, pan over here, they do have some amazing lifestyle events that happen up here for their residents. So this is really, of course, about beautiful homes that Shea has built, but also an incredible lifestyle. The clubhouse here is 15,000 square feet. Of course, including this restaurant, you also have an amazing fitness center, resort style pool with cabanas that is open year round. I just found that out. 8 pickleball courts. And I would also like to mention, I did a video here over the summer. I'm going to put the link in the description so you can take a look at that, where I actually tour all of the amenities at this beautiful property. Today we're going to focus a little bit more on the floor plans and what's available for purchase right now. But again, if you'd like to see more about all of the beautiful amenities here, click that down below and you'll hit the description and you'll see that whole video that we did on all the amazing amenities available here. So as I mentioned, today we're going to be talking about the actual floor plans that are available out here at Trilogy by Shea Homes. There are 5 different collections with over 16 different floor plans out here. The square footages range from about just over 1,300 square feet to over 2,700 square feet. There are 2 and 3 car garages. They're actually RV garages, and they do range in size from 2 to 4 bedrooms. So there's really something for every type of lifestyle out here, and you can enjoy the amazing active adult lifestyle. Okay, so now I just got my coffee over from Kindred and Main. So even though they're closed, what's really nice is you can still get coffee. So that's pretty important. We're gonna go walk over to the models now so I can show you some of these beautiful floor plans. Okay, so as Micah just demonstrated to you, we are in the Valletta home, which is out of the 5 collections. We are now in the resort collection. I just love this house. What's really neat about this collection is there's 3 different floor plans and they are connected at the garage. This floor plan is called, as you saw earlier, the Valletta. It's just under 1,700 square feet, 2 bedrooms, and just a really fantastic layout. And one of the things I noticed when I'm walking around here is there's a lot of people that are residents of the Trilogy community, and everyone is just so happy. And I don't think it's just because of the free cookies. And then I realized that it's actually part of their thing here. It's actually Live Happier. They have this amazing magazine about all the activities and events and everything that happen out here. And as we were driving around, actually walking around, we saw this lady. And we saw her on a golf cart. And then we're like, there she is. So it's obviously very real. People are super happy out here, and you can just imagine, because it's just such a gorgeous community. The lifestyle is absolutely amazing, and of course these houses are amazing too. So getting back to it, this is just under 1,700 square feet. Prices for this particular home start in the low 400s. Let's go take a quick look around. So I wanted to take a moment and just show you this particular floor plan because it is one of the lesser expensive homes in the community. Base prices starting in the low 400s. What I do really love about this is that although the home is not large, it really has a great use of space. So right now, as I mentioned earlier, it's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath. We are now standing from the front door into the secondary bedroom. What I love right away is, again, the house is not large, but you have 2 very separate sleeping spaces. So here is the secondary bedroom. You can see how high the ceilings are, which I think really makes a difference when you're in a smaller floor plan because it does give you some nice volume. Here is your closet space. To be honest, I would need more closet space than this. So if I was staying at your house, I'd definitely need more than that. But come over here, I'll show you it has its own bathroom in here. So it is en suite. So nice size secondary bath with a tub in there. And then we're going to come out to the main hallway. What I love is just how spacious and large and just what a beautiful entry you have for this foyer. Here you have your den space. They did it as an office. You can make this maybe like a little exercise room, of course, but then of course you even have that amazing gym. So maybe you don't need an exercise room, but this might be a cute little TV room, a study obviously, but it is nice to have the additional space. You could even perhaps put some doors on here too if you wanted it to feel a little bit more separate from the rest of the home. Now we're going to walk into this beautifully done great room and kitchen space. And what I did was preemptively opened all the doors so we could come out to this beautiful patio. Now this time of year, it is October right now, so it's just really nice to take advantage of this gorgeous indoor-outdoor lifestyle where you can sit out here on this gorgeous patio. And I'm guessing this is like a fire pit. This may be cool, or the fire pit's cool, or maybe even like a beautiful water feature out here, just so you can really enjoy some of your own outdoor spaces. Keeping in mind, of course, just so many activities and things to do all around this community at any time of year, but it is really nice to have the privacy of your own backyard space. Let's go take a look at the primary bedroom before we go look at some other houses. So now we're going to take a quick look at the primary bedroom, which is really on the other side of the home. I really like that. This is a nice, like, good sized room. But again, you have the high ceilings. I love the way that they did this wall over here. It's really pretty. What's really nice as well is their design studio, believe it or not, is right here on site. It's actually right next door. So you have the ability to pick out all of your options and upgrades right here on site. I think that's super convenient. I don't really see that very often with builders. So the fact that you can go look at the floor plan, go to the design center, have that appointment, and then really get a sense of what finishes you would like for your home. So let's go take another look over here at the primary bath. I love this shower. It's a really pretty insert. Of course, you've got the seat in there, which people love. And here you've got a nice amount of cabinet space. And, well, I don't know if this closet's supposed to be for 2 people, but this would definitely be for just one. For me, but that's just me. This is the Valletta floor plan over here in the resort collection. This is just one of several different floor plans. There's actually 10 single family floor plans here, but I did want to show you this one because this is part of the resort collection. Let's go take a look at another model. Okay, well, since I mentioned that the design center is right here on their property, I decided why not stop in. And what's really neat is they have all of these beautiful packages here that you can choose from. And I mean, they're all gorgeous. The countertops can be either quartz or granite. And as you can see, they're all different packages, but I was just told that you can mix and match. And I just love all the different variations of color palettes. I mean, you do see a lot of the grays, but I love some of these other colors that are kind of gaining some traction as far as popularity. Apparently this row is probably some of her more popular packages out here. But it really does show you just the immense choices, how many choices you have when you're purchasing out here at Trilogy Sunstone. So not only out here in a beautiful resort style community, but you can also enjoy your beautiful home and choose your finishes that you love. So out here they do make the process pretty simple. If you are purchasing a home from dirt, we'll say, the deposit is $10,000. The beautiful design center that we just took a look at, apparently appointments, the lady told me over there, go about 4 hours. So obviously they really go into detail. The expectation is that that's going to be another $45,000 deposit on all of your upgrades and options. Completion out here is going to be anywhere between 8 and 10 months is going to be your anticipated delivery. Keep in mind though, they do have some quick move-in properties available. We'll put some more information about what quick move-ins are currently available in our blog, so you can take a look at that as well. The membership fee for the club is a one-time initiation fee of $5,000. And right now we're sitting very comfortably, by the way, over here in one of the Freedom collections. We're sitting in front of the Connect home. Kind of a funky name. But this collection, you're going to anticipate that your monthly dues, which would include all of everything dealing with the clubhouse and the main HOA, plus the HOA for Sunstone, is going to run you about $365 per month. There is quite a bit currently available as far as the amenities. We're in phase 1. Phase 2 of the amenities are expected to be completed end of next year, and that includes a restaurant and tap house that will be open to the public, as well as an event center, which I think is going to be amazing as well. We're going to go take a look now at this particular home, which is in a Freedom collection. This is the Connect floor plan. Perfect timing, the wind is picking up, so let's go take a look inside. Definitely makes it easier so we know exactly where we are. One of the things I do love about these floor plans, because I was just thinking about some of the older communities for 55 and over communities, because there's really been communities built out here since the early 90s. A lot of those floor plans are a little bit challenging because they're really mostly 2-bedroom and a den. Even the larger floor plans are 2-bedroom and a den. So it's really hard to get more than 3 bedrooms, or it's definitely not 4 bedrooms in some of these older 55 plus communities out here in Las Vegas. What I love here is that they really took the time to think about these floor plans and build spaces that do offer 3 and 4 bedrooms. So for example, we are in the Connect floor plan, as you saw, and this one has 3 bedrooms. We're under 2,000 square feet, but there are still 3 bedrooms here, which I think is really nice, especially if you have multiple guests coming to visit you. Here in Las Vegas, obviously that could happen pretty often, right? So I love the way that these floor plans are definitely updated for the way we live today. So let's go take a look around. So we have 3 bedrooms and a den located in this building, in this floor plan. So here, this floor plan, again, reminder, is less than 1,900 square feet. So the bedrooms are not very large, but the higher ceilings, the larger windows, I think really help make it feel light and bright and spacious, even though this room can't be more than like 10 by 12, I would say. It's not a large room, but it definitely can fit comfortably a guest. You have another bedroom over here because you do have a closet, so obviously they're doing this as a little bit of an art studio, super cute. And then these 2 bedrooms would share this front bath. And it's kept separate from the rest of the house, which is down here. This would be weird if you had it in your house, but I guess it is pretty cool to show you all the different updates that these homes do have. All of these homes do have solar panels, so that would mean that the entire Sunstone Trilogy is solar. You can lease or purchase these solar panels. What's nice is it obviously does keep your utility bills a lot lower too. And I will have more information, click the description below. I'll have a little bit more information specifically on how that solar works if you're curious to learn more about that. What's funny is I remember being in this home back in 2021 when there was literally nothing but dirt, but they had these beautiful models up. So I remember this model quite well because I really loved it then. I still do. Micah, you're going to open that for me, right?
Close it so we can have.
Well, let's see. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh, that was really easy. Look at this gorgeous yard. All right, here I'm going to go. It's a little heavy. I love how these yards, none of them are particularly oversized that I've seen so far. I'm sure there's options for some larger lots. Don't fall in the pool, Micah. Although that would make for a really cool video. But I just love how they're just comfortably sized. And it is pretty neat that if you wanted to, you could essentially build your own pool in your backyard. If you'd like, a nice private space. This is actually pretty inviting right now. Luckily it's not super hot, because otherwise I think I might be a little bit more tempted to jump on in. Let's go take a look at the primary bedroom. Well, hello. Here we are in the primary bedroom, and I'm really impressed with how nice and spacious this room is, considering that we are less than 1,900 square feet. This is a really nice size room. Just plenty of space. And then you have, oh wow, this is a good sized bathroom as well. Take a look at this. Love the dual sinks. You have good, actually this would be a satisfactory size closet. I could deal with that. And I love this really pretty shower. I love the tile that they did. And I think I do remember seeing this at the design center when we walked over there. But all of the finishes that we've seen are beautiful. There really is something for everyone as far as how much square footage you would like, whether it's, just something about 1,300 square feet all the way up to over 2,700 square feet. The lifestyle out here is absolutely incredible. We're not, of course, far from the Strip and entertainment, if that is something that you're interested in doing. Or honestly, you could just be out here enjoying this gorgeous lifestyle. And of course, right now in October, the weather is just amazing. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video today. This community is absolutely incredible. If you are looking for options, you are thinking about retiring to the Las Vegas, Nevada area, this is definitely got to be a must-see on your list. If you'd like more information about Trilogy by Shea Homes out here in Sunstone, you can find those details in our blog, or you can contact me directly at 702-335-4779. I'd love to host a tour for you of these beautiful models. Thank you so much again for watching. Please subscribe below and make sure to like this video, and we'll see you next time.